What are the detailed processing procedures of corn flour mashing machine for processing corn flour? 1. In terms of raw material selection, choose corn with full kernels and no molds and insects as the raw material. Either yellow or white corn can be used. 2. Before using corn flour mashing machine, first remove various impurities such as stones, iron wires, straw sticks, etc. in the corn to obtain corn with uniform grain size. If possible, you can use a cleaning machine, which not only saves labor, but also obtains high-quality corn kernels. 3. Adjust the moisture of the cleaned corn first and soak it with hot steam or hot water above 90 C for 5 minutes. The corn is then crushed using cornmeal mashing machine so that the corn embryos and skins fall off. 4. Put the clean corn directly into the corn flour mashing machine, and after heating, extrusion, and puffing, it can be processed into corn flour, the finest of the ground corn.